Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to come over into your search option and going to search for system restore option, you can see, and then here you will get an option on a very good search result called create a restore point. So if you click on that, then there will be system properties over here, and you can see that there is available drivers called local C drive and it's turned on. So if you just want to turn it on for your this drive, it's very unusual name, but I don't want to pronounce it for some restriction, but you just simply can turn it on by click on configure and turn on system protections and click apply and click OK. After that, what you need to do, you just need to come on and create type of descriptions to help you identify the restore point. So here you just need to point the date and time. So I will going to give 4.11.2024 before update, and then if you just click on create, basically what you did, you just give the date and the month and the year and click on create, and after you can see creating a restore point, and after a very short time you can see the restore point was created successfully. So yeah, this is how you can create restore point in your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.